무슨 생각이 났어 한도질 꺼냈어 넌 어떤 색깔을 가졌어 너무 궁금해서 난 감을 잤어 요리조리 섞어
Hi everyone, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have an interesting topic for you guys because I think a lot of people own nude heels because nude heels are really popular, and also so they don't choose any clothing that you wear and you can just pair it with any clothes that you have on your wardrobe. Today I'm going to show you ways on how I style my nude heels. I got this nude heels from TUTUM shop. It's a local brand here in the Philippines, and yeah, would suggest that you guys check them out. I'll be linking their Instagram and also their website on the description box, so make sure to check them out. So I got this nude heels and they are called Best. And they also sent me another heels, and these are called Chloe. I think these ones are really perfect for daily wear. You can just use them casually. So I will only style one heel because I think a lot of you guys own this kind of heels. So if you're interested to see how I style my nude heels, just keep on watching.
Nude heels are one of the most versatile pair of shoes that a girl must have. Not only do these shoes complement almost any outfit, but they also elongate your legs. So I started by wearing a monochromatic kind of look by pairing a white mom shorts and a beige top, adding a white handbag for a more classic style. So for the second look, I changed my shorts into a nude color one, then added a brown belt to cinch my waist, and then to complete the look, I added my Guess shoulder bag for a more casual feel to it. Then here I used the same shorts but unfolded it, then paired it with a white round neck top. To make the look edgier, I added this white belt and let it drop in front. To finalize the look, I added again the white baguette bag. Wearing nude heels will break up this black and white outfit, making it softer to look at. By adding this leather jacket that I got from my dad's wardrobe on top of your white top, you can have that model off-duty look that Kendall Jenner always wears. So here is another basic outfit that would totally complement your heels. I paired a black bralette top and this mom shorts with this nude heels to individualize the look and have a break from the black. For a more professional and formal look, I added an oversized blazer on top of the bralette top. So an extra tip when looking for nude heels is that you must find the shade that would totally match your skin tone to create an illusion that you have a longer legs. And if you want to be more adventurous, try pairing your nude heels with animal prints. Here, I have a mini dress with animal print all over it, giving you a sexy, longer legs. To make the look more date-appropriate, add a denim oversized jacket on top of the dress so you could be more comfortable walking. So one thing that I like about mini bodycon dress is that you can wear them as a top. As you can see here, I added this vintage blue mom shorts, and this would totally look good with nude heels, giving you a vintage look. To make the look more casual, you can try and add a white round neck top underneath the dress for an everyday kind of outfit. So I know a lot of us own this straight cut leg, high-waisted jeans, and these are the perfect jeans to pair with nude heels, as this would elongate your legs 2 times, 3 times more. So here I got again another black to black outfit, and another thing that I noticed with nude heels is that they are perfect with jeans that shows your ankles. So for this look, corset are really into these days, and they would totally look good with heels, making the look more put together and professional looking. You can also pair your nude heels with any baby doll dresses that you have. This dress that I thrifted is also perfect if you want a more fun and chic look. You may also pair your heels with a vibrant colored dress. As you can see here, I paired it with a vibrant green colored dress.
걸음걸이 BPM도 힙하게 맞춰놨어. Don't call me tonight. 손목에는 래퍼들처럼 빛나는 롤리. 근데 아빠 결혼
So if you're into vintage type of look, try pairing your long sleeves to a mom shorts. You can complete your look by adding a colored bag. So here I added a red colored bag. And as you can see, it's so cute and so pretty to look at. So if you want another casual look, you can also pair your heels with a vibrant top and then with a shorts. Here I have a yellow one-shoulder top, and that makes the look more fresh and youthful. Now for this look, I partnered a yellow-green top and an animal print miniskirt. And yeah, I really like this color combination. So an extra tip is that don't be afraid to mix and match colors and also prints, as nude heels are perfect for any kind of prints and outfits. If you're still not contented with your shirt, try adding a blazer with the same tone as your shirt to make the look more professional and classy.
그와 반대로 난 꽤 피곤함에 쩔어 있는 상태에 기분 귀가 놀려 좌우로 swing할 수 있는 클럽으로 내 시선이 내려가려 I don't know 원을 만들어 놀며 다가오는 girls 템피기 girls 모두 클럽으로 pull up 근데 구석에 있어 시끄러운 손과 냄새가 배있어 아무래도 필름이 끊기기 전에 집으로 가야 되니까 나 혼자서 발걸음 난 수위로
Now for this look, this is a more vintage look. I have here a pastel green top and an animal print midi skirt, and you can also try unbuttoning the lower buttons to make the look more chic and sexy. Vests are into these days, and here I have a v-neck vest and a cream colored straight cut jeans, making my legs 3 times longer, and I think nude heels are really perfect with pastel colors. You can also pair your nude heels with your light colored trousers or pants, as these colors blends well with nude heels. Next is another monochromatic look, but this time in skirt. I have this skirt that I thrift flipped. If you want to watch that, I'll be linking it down below. And then I added this one shoulder top to make the look more feminine yet girly at the same time. floral dress are also perfect for nude heels if you want that Sunday brunch type of look.
I just wanna be with you, 'cause I just wanna play with you. 너란 세상에 갇혀 아무것도
You can also pair your nude heels with maxi skirt. This would totally give you an illusion of longer legs. And then to finalize the look, I paired it with a white tube top to show my sexy collarbones. Now for the final look, you can make the tube top look more casual by pairing it with this mom jeans, and then I rolled the bottom to show me those ankles that I want. So that will be the end of my video. Comment down below which one was your favorite look, and make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell button beside it so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching. Bye!
I just wanna be with you, 'cause I just wanna play with you.